Part of the value of mangroves, of course, is the quantity of carbon that's stored in the mangrove ecosystem. And one of the greatest challenges that foresters and mangrove managers have will be to ascertain the carbon stocks of these sites. And it's relatively straightforward to do the above ground measurements by measuring the diameter of all the trees in a site to get the density, and then using allometric equations to get above ground biomass as well as below ground biomass. But where the challenge lies is in the soil carbon. And soil carbon is extremely important to measure, because up to 80% or even more, in some cases 90% of the total carbon stock is in the soils. And therefore it's required then to collect samples in the field using soil cores, where we extract various samples of known volume and depth to get an idea of, one, the mass of the soil, and then in the laboratory the density of the soil, the percent that's carbon. And from those measurements we can then calculate the total ecosystem carbon stock, which in a case like this may be 1,000 tons of carbon per hectare.